Are you ready to play? Let's go on a fun adventure with me. Let's learn together, one giggle at a time.
Look, here comes letter A. I make the sound A, like in apple. Let's find a word starting with A. Letters A plus T plus C, cat, meow. Great, you blended a T and C to say, cat. Here comes letter B. I say B, like in ball. Let's find a word with B. Letters B plus O plus X, box. Awesome, you blended B, O, and X to say, box. Look, letter C is here. I make the sound K, like in cat. Now, let's find a word starting with C. Letters C plus A plus T, cat. Great job, you made the word cat. Say hello to letter D. I say D, like in dog. Let's find a word with D. Letters D plus O plus G, dog. Awesome, D, O, and G make the word dog. Look, here's letter E. I say E, like in elephant. Can you find a word with E? Letters E plus L plus M, elm. Perfect, E, L, and M make the word elm. Here comes letter F. I make the sound F, like in fish. Let's find a word with F. Letters F plus I plus S plus H, fish. Great, you blended F, I, S, and H to say, fish. Look, letter G is here. I say G, like in goat. Let's find a word with G. Letters G plus O plus A plus T, goat. Well done, you made the word goat. Here comes letter H. I make the sound H, like in hat. Now, let's make a word with H. Letters H plus A plus T, hat. Awesome, you made the word hat. Say hello to letter I. I say Y, like in igloo. Let's find a word with I. Letters I plus G plus L plus O, igloo. Fantastic, you blended I, G, L, and O to say, igloo. Look, here comes letter J. I make the sound J, like in jump. Let's find a word starting with J. Letters J plus A plus M, jam. Great, you blended J, and M to Mac. Jam. Say hello to letter K. I make the sound K, like in kite. Let's find a word starting with K. Letters K plus I plus T plus E, kite. Well done, you blended K, I, T, and E to say, kite. Here comes letter L. I say L like in lion. Let's make a word with L. Letters L plus I plus O plus N, lion. Awesome, L, I, O, and make lion. Look, letter M is here. I make the sound M like in monkey. Let's find a word with M. Letters M plus O plus plus K plus E plus Y, monkey. Perfect, M, O, N, K, E, and Y make. Monkey. Here comes letter N. I say N like in nest. Let's find a word with N. Letters in plus E plus S plus T, nest. Nice work, you made nest. Say hello to letter O. I say O like in octopus. Let's find a word with O. Letters O plus C plus T plus O plus P plus U plus S, octopus. Great job! O, C, T, O, P, U, and S make octopus. Look, letter P is here. I make the sound P like in pig. Let's find a word with P. Letters P plus I plus G, pig. Perfect. You blended P, I, and G to say pig. Say hello to letter Q. I say KW like in queen. Let's find a word with Q. Letters Q plus U plus E plus and queen. Well done, Q, U, E, and make queen. Look, letter R is here. I make the sound, or like in rabbit. Let's find a word with R. Letters are plus A plus B plus I plus T, rabbit. Great, R, B, I, and T make rabbit. Say hello to letter S. I say S like in sun. Let's find a word with S. Letters S plus U plus N, sun. Perfect, S, U, and N make sun. Look, letter T is here. I say T like in turtle. Let's make a word with T. Letters T plus U plus R plus T plus L plus E, awesome. Turtle. T, U, R, T, L, and E make turtle.